Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: factory methods in Java collections. Right, so first of all, coming to Java collections factory method. So these methods were introduced in Java9 collections framework. So from Java9 collections library provides static factory methods for list, set, map interfaces. So these factory methods are used to create small number of collections like 1 to 10. So one collection 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10 elements. Okay, so 0 to 10 collections, and these collections are unmodifiable. They are non-modifiable or unmodifiable. So that is, if we use add methods later, then we get exception. Okay, so we can create a collection which is non-modifiable or unmodifiable collection using this factory methods, and all these are static methods. So if we see the description of the list interface, java p java.util.list. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue this command. Right, so here at the last we have off with an empty list, off with one element, two elements, so on till up to we can have 10 elements. And we can also have more elements using this var args, e with var args. Right, so similarly we can also check it for set. Right, java p java.util.set. So off static method which returns an empty set, off with single element which static method which returns a set, so on till 10 elements, and also var args, it returns more than. If you want to pass 0 or 1 or more than that, then we can also go for var args which also returns a set, and all these are static methods. So similarly for map. Okay, right, so java p java.util.map. Right, so come to the command prompt and issue this command. So in map collection, off with the empty map static method, it returns a map collection with key value pairs. So similarly with 1, 2, 3 up to 10 elements. Right, so now here off methods are overloaded static factory methods using which we can create a non-modifiable collections. Okay, so basically, so these methods can be used to create list collection, set collection, and map collection. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Factory methods collections example 1.java. So take a new page. At the beginning of the program, write the comments, import java.util package, and then take the main class with main method. Right, so first we'll create a array list collection with 5 elements of type integer generic parameter. So I'm adding array list.add 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So print array list. So save this program, come to the command prompt, and then compile factory methods collection example 1.java. Right, no error, and then run it. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Now here this is a array list collection, okay, with 5 elements. Okay, so this is a array list collection. So now instead of this collection, array list collection with 5 elements, okay, now I'm going to use list with off. Okay, so let us take list dot off, which is a static method. So off, I can take 0, 1, 2 up to 10 elements and more than that also, because it also supports var args. So this is a list of integers. So store that in a reference variable li list of generic data type integer. So print li. So save this, recompile, and then run. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now this list can also be used or converted into array list, linked list, stack, as well as vector using different methods. Right. So now coming to the set. So set dot of static method, I'm taking 5 elements. So set of strings AA, BB, CC, DD, EE. So I'm storing that in a reference st of type set string. So print st string. Right. So save this, recompile, and run. So in set, order is not preserved with 5 elements. E, D, C, B, A. Next, let us go it for map. Okay. Right. So map dot off. Okay. So map dot off. So key value pairs. So key 1001 value Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali. So store that in a reference variable MP of type map, which takes generic parameters integer comma string. So print MP, it will print key value pairs, and we can also use this with map entry using for each loop. So map dot entry integer string generic parameters. So the reference is, okay, let us take this as ME map entry. So map dot entry set. So entry set is a method which is available with map interface, which will return map dot entry. Okay, so it will take one element, okay, and store that in map entry ME, and then here ME map entry dot get key. So you will get 1001 map entry dot get value. You will get Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali, and here also order is not preserved. So save this, come to the command prompt, recompile, and then run it. So 1002 Ram, 1001 Ali, 1003 Ali, 1001 Sai. So this is the map. So each entry has been taken and iterated using for each loop. So this is how we are supposed to work with factory methods in Java collections, which were introduced in Java 9 version. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.